You're exhausted, but the moment you try to sleep, your legs start to tingle, twitch, or feel like they need to move. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it might be something more than just restlessness. This could be restless legs syndrome, and while it's uncomfortable, there are ways to manage it at home and finally get the rest you deserve. Restless Legs Syndrome, or RLS, is a neurological condition that causes an uncontrollable urge to move the legs, usually in the evening or at night when you're trying to relax. It's often described as tingling, crawling, itching, or a pulling sensation deep inside the legs. Because symptoms usually get worse at night, and when you're lying down, RLS can severely interfere with falling or staying asleep. Over time, the lack of rest can lead to daytime fatigue, poor concentration, mood changes, and reduced quality of life. The exact cause of RLS isn't always clear, but it's often linked to low iron levels, pregnancy, certain medications, chronic conditions like kidney disease or diabetes, nerve issues, and even genetics. Stress, caffeine, and lack of sleep can also make symptoms worse. At-home strategies to ease restless legs is including 1. Establish a bedtime routine. A calm, consistent evening routine signals your body it's time to wind down. Warm baths, light stretching, or gentle yoga can relax muscles and reduce nighttime symptoms. 2. Try leg massages or compression. Massaging your legs or using compression socks may improve blood flow and reduce discomfort. A warm compress or heating pad can also help relieve tension before bed. 3. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine. These stimulants can worsen RLS symptoms, especially when consumed in the evening. Try cutting back or eliminating them for a few weeks to see if your sleep improves. 4. Keep your iron levels in check. Iron deficiency is a common cause of RLS. Ask your doctor to check your iron levels. Foods rich in iron like spinach, red meat, and lentils may help, but supplements should only be taken under medical guidance. Exercise gently and regularly. Moderate exercise during the day, like walking or swimming, can help ease symptoms, but avoid vigorous workouts right before bedtime, as they can make symptoms worse. 6. Stretch before bed. Simple stretches for the calves, hamstrings, and thighs can help reduce the urge to move your legs. Focus on slow, mindful movement and deep breathing. 7. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress can trigger or worsen RLS. Try mindfulness, deep breathing, or guided meditation before bed. Even a few minutes can calm the nervous system and reduce symptoms. Undefined. Restless legs syndrome can feel overwhelming, but small, consistent changes can make a big difference. These simple home strategies may not be a cure, but they can help you take back your nights and your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sleep and health tips. Are you living with RLS? Let me know in the comments which of these tips you'll try or share what's worked for you.